Okay, so we are back on the main view. And now what we will do is creating or selecting topics where we are not ranking yet. There is a next video where we will see how to optimize existing content, but this is just a simple pass. You are not ranking yet and you just want to find new topics. To find new topics, check where you are not ranking. So here you can see all the cluster where basically you are not ranking, you don't see any URL, you don't see the ranking ship here. So this is good. What you can do as well here, maybe we want to focus on commercial intent because it's quite interesting for SaaS to focus on commercial intent first. So you can select here the commercial intent. And as I said previously, my page rank is 58. So page rank in thruuu is domain authority. We can also filter based on page rank and maybe focus on the one where that are not so strong, maybe below 50. And so here I can start to now select some new topics that I want to cover in my blog. Here I have an interesting one, HubSpot versus MailChimp, marketing automation. So here is commercial intent clearly. And it seems that the competition is not that strong. So I will add it to my favorite. And now really, as I said, the goal is to select some potential articles that you want to create and add it to your content plan. Salesforce marketing automation alternative for free, yes, why not? Could be a good topic as well. Best marketing automation for small businesses as well, could be interesting. Again, also here, I'm not obviously working for ActiveCampaign, so I don't know their business strategy, but when you make some decision about content to cover, it should also be linked to your strategy. It should be linked to what you want to achieve, or what is also your target persona, target audience, and so on. I don't explain obviously all the let's say tactics or strategy when you build a content marketing plan. Anyway, you get the point. So this was interesting filters. So play with that, check where you're not ranking, check the intent. Also, you can focus on informational. It's fine as well. Up to you to decide. Like benefit, for instance, why not having that in our blog? Could make sense. I don't know. But yeah, don't hesitate to play with the filters. Play with the intent. Check the ranking, not the ranking, sorry, because you are focusing on where we don't rank. You can also focus on the volume, check on the page rank. And here you go. At the end, display your favorites. I go up, well, I just clear the filter, select the favorite, and now you can see we have selected 3 topics that we want to cover. I can also move to the table view if you want, if you prefer. Here you can see I have my 3 topics, so 3 potential articles with intent commercial, and you can see also the volume. So again, also here the volume can be important if you want also to again set some priority. This is why I said initially when you upload a list of keywords, try to include volume information. And by the way, if you don't have volume information, if you are using, I don't know, keyword from the search console, just use the impression or the clicks. Maybe impression is better, because at the end what you need is volume criteria basically will guide the priority or the prioritization. So include that in initial list. Okay, now we have a first list of keywords, and the next step will be to start analyzing the cluster to see how we can structure our article.